Today we are going to be unboxing this SUBTREX 4-inch gel mattress topper, queen size. I'm taking this out early because it takes like 24 hours to fully inflate or expand and not inflate. Pull it out. Come on. Okay. Now this is the fun part where we're gonna watch it. So I'm gonna be really careful using a cutter on this one. So let's make a crease. What is that? That's nice. It actually comes with a cutter, so you don't have to use your regular cutter. So let's open it up. It's really nice that they included a cutter. The box was really compact, so let's see how this looks like when it is out from the package. Well, I think you're gonna have to through the blade. You have to. So, oops. It's gonna explode. There you go. Ew. Roll it out. I think it's so it's really flat. Alright, now that's why I'm taking it out early. So it's supposed to be 4 inches. Right now it's like half or maybe just 1 inch. So I'm gonna wait for a couple hours until it fully expands, and I'll show you maybe tomorrow how true to size it is. So it's supposed to be 4 inches, and this is nice. So that's our video for today. Thank you for watching.